Look, I'd just like to tell, this is a National Railway Museum. I'll show you all the artefacts. So these locomotives here. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm going to just go on to the information. And when you check my channel out, that should tell you what it is. This is the Evening Star. Sorry. The Evening Star. This is the rocket. It's a replica of this one. This is a little Windows machine. This is a rocket, just show you again. It's a rocket replica. One of the girls told me it was different colour, but I can't tell. This is a GNR. I'll go around the side and see what type of loco it is, because there's usually something information on it, which there isn't. I'm sure some people online will know what it is when it goes on my videos. I have no idea what this one is. This is the carriages that we used to use. Some of the locomotives, I'm not sure what. Might be some information on the back. I'm not sure what this train is. Maybe it's an advanced passenger train, but I'm not right sure. These are very old carriages. Well, this is one of the carriages. Fantastic condition, but they always look after them here. And this is the Livingston and Thompson train. One of the old carriages. This is the Old Star locomotive. I'll just zoom in and see the plate. Hope you can see it. This is one of the cabins. Now I'm going to go into the north shed. Oops. This is where the model trains and that sort of thing is. Remembrance train. It's like a boat up there, I'm not sure what it is. I think it's one of those pedal boats. Now, unfortunately, the Flying Scotsman is not here at the moment. I think it's back next week, but I'll come down next year sometime. There's some lovely old carriages. There's a London Midland Scottish locomotive. I'm sorry for any tapping, it's the camera protector. See all the plaques and that on the wall. Some of the clocks and that of the old railway stations. Go on. Oh, the dairies. Now these must be the models. I don't know if they're a working model or not, I've no idea. This is a Silver Link. I don't know if that's here or not, I've no idea. Let's see, some sort of a track. With the old chairs. The locomotive. Some of the carriages now. I don't know if this one works or not, I'm not right sure. It looks like quite possibly could work. Some of the carriages. So the Great Western. Now this is some of the signs that they use on the stations. I think we cannot get through that door, so we're going to have to double back. So we'll go down here, make his way back into the main hall there. So it's up for refurbishment. That's why it's not really massively open. Locomotives now, the models. I'm not sure what that is. Right, we'll make his way to the main entrance, through the hall. Quick look around, see if there's anything I've missed, but I've got quite a lot of footage. Oh yeah. It's got some plaque up there, if you can see it. There's more railway models down here, and there's a clock. I think it's a clock, I'm not sure. It's a pressure thing. Some old chairs in here as well. And also, I'm not sure what these locomotives are, but I presume they're models anyway. Oh yeah, right, this is where a lot of the models is. Right, we'll make his way to the main reception. Oh dear. Yeah, we have not got a photo of the Mallard. It's got the highest steam record, 127 miles an hour. Now we're going to look at the model railway. Model railway. I think this may be from one of the diesels. There's one of the clocks. You can see it. It gives you the time.